Have you ever wondered what really happens when the stock market closes at 4 p.m.? Most people think the game is over. The doors are shut and Wall Street goes to sleep. But that's not the truth. The real drama often begins after the closing bell. And nowhere is this more intense, more unpredictable, and more fascinating than with NVIDIA, a company that had become the beating heart of the stock market. Today, I want you to walk with me into this hidden world. By the end of this journey, you won't just understand after-hours trading. You'll see yourself differently in the mirror of the market. So stay with me, because the real truth is still ahead. When the clock hits 4 p.m. on Wall Street, most people imagine silence. The trading floor empty, the screens dim, the chaos over. But in reality, another world awakens. This is the world of after-hours trading, where deals continue in the shadows, away from the eyes of the majority. Here, trades don't follow the same rhythm. Liquidity is thinner, spreads are wider, and prices can swing wildly on even the smallest piece of news. It's not the polished chaos of daytime trading. It's raw, unpredictable, and often unforgiving. Why does this matter? Because what happens in these hours can reshape the market by the time the sun rises again. Earnings releases, company announcements, or even a single analyst comment can send stocks soaring or crashing in minutes. Imagine this. NVIDIA posts its earnings at 4:10 p.m. Within 5 minutes, its stock could be up by 10% or down by 12%. And all of this happens while most of the world believe the market is closed. This is not just trading. It's a reflection of human psychology under pressure. When fear and greed collide in a limited space, every decision feels magnified. After-hours trading exposes the rawest emotions of the market: hope, panic, ambition, and doubt. And if you look closely enough, it doesn't just tell you about the market. It tells you about human nature. So, remember this. After-hours trading isn't just an extension of the day. It's a different game entirely. And understanding this hidden world is the first step in unlocking the truth of what really happens with companies like NVIDIA. Now, let's ask the deeper question. Why does after-hours trading exist at all? Why not just stick to the normal 9:30 to 4 o'clock schedule? The truth is simple, because life doesn't stop when the bell rings. Companies don't wait until 9:30 a.m. to share big news. Imagine NVIDIA releasing a groundbreaking AI chip at 5 p.m. Should investors really wait until the next morning to react? No. Markets need to absorb that shock immediately, and after-hours trading allows that to happen. But there's more. After-hours trading exists because of demand. The demand of traders who want the first-mover advantage. For professionals, those extra hours are an opportunity to jump in before the rest of the world wakes up. For ordinary investors, it can be a chance to act on news without delay. Yet, this convenience comes with a twist. The same demand that makes after-hours trading possible also makes it dangerous. Because when fewer people are trading, every order carries more weight. A small wave can turn into a tsunami. A single decision can tilt the balance. So after-hours isn't just about extended access. It's about a deeper truth. The market never truly sleeps, because human ambition never rests. We are always reaching, always searching for the edge, always chasing that one opportunity that could change everything. And it's in those restless hours that ambition and risk collide in their purest form. But let's not sugarcoat it. After-hours trading is a double-edged sword. For every opportunity, there is danger. For every trader who wins, another one loses. The risks are undeniable. Liquidity is thin, meaning fewer buyers and sellers. That creates wild price swings. Imagine placing an order for NVIDIA at night and watching it jump 5% higher before your order even clears. Spreads, the gap between buy and sell prices, are wider, which means you pay more and earn less. And perhaps most importantly, news released after hours is like fire in a dry forest. It spreads fast, uncontrolled, and often exaggerated. Yet, the rewards tempt us. The chance to be the first. The chance to ride the wave before others even wake up. For a disciplined trader, after-hours can offer opportunities unavailable during the day. But without discipline, it can devour you. This is why after-hours trading is a mirror of psychology. It shows who you are under stress. Do you panic or do you stay calm? Do you act with strategy or with impulse? The market doesn't just move, it reveals you, and that's the paradox of after hours. It is both a blessing and a curse, a stage for both triumph and disaster. And NVIDIA sits right at the center of this storm. Why NVIDIA? Why not some other company? The answer lies in its role in our modern economy. NVIDIA isn't just another stock. It's a symbol of the future. AI, gaming data centers, self-driving cars. NVIDIA powers them all. That makes its every move a signal for the entire market. When NVIDIA announces earnings, after-hours trading lights up like fireworks. Traders from New York to Hong Kong are watching, waiting, calculating. Hedge funds run simulations in real time. Retail traders stay up late, refreshing their screens. Because everyone knows, NVIDIA doesn't just report numbers. It reveals the future of technology. One earnings beat can trigger a rally across the tech sector. A single disappointing forecast can drag the entire market down. In after hours, NVIDIA becomes a heartbeat that sets the rhythm for everything else. But beyond the numbers, what makes NVIDIA fascinating is its story. It's a story of innovation, risk, and vision. And in many ways, its after-hours movements aren't just about money. They're about belief. Belief in AI, belief in progress, belief in what the future could look like. And that is why NVIDIA is not just a stock. It is a symbol. And symbols, when they move us all. Now that we've uncovered the truth, what do we take away from this journey? For traders, the lesson is discipline. After-hours trading is tempting, but not every opportunity is worth taking. The best traders know when to act and when to wait. For investors, the lesson is perspective. Don't let one night's volatility blind you to the bigger picture. NVIDIA's long-term story isn't written in a single after-hour session. It's written in decades of innovation. But the deepest lesson is human. After-hours trading isn't just about money. It's about us, our hopes, fears, and ambitions. It's about how we react under pressure, how we handle uncertainty, and how we navigate the chaos. So here's my call to you. Don't just watch NVIDIA's after-hours drama as numbers on a screen. Watch it as a mirror. Let it teach you patience. Let it show you your strengths and weaknesses. And most importantly, let it remind you that markets are alive, just like us, driven by human emotion, always searching, always moving. Because at the end of the day, after-hours trading is more than a financial event. It is a metaphor for life. Unpredictable, risky, and yet full of possibility. The world doesn't stop when the bell rings at 4 p.m., and neither should your growth. If this journey opened your eyes, don't stop here. Keep learning. Keep observing. And the next time NVIDIA moves after hours, don't just ask, what's happening in the market? Ask, what's happening within me?